In all the years she's been my mentor, she's never once doubted me. Spike!
What?
Yeah!
Isn't that just like a boy? Can't handle the least bit of sentiment.
Whoa, Nellie!
How come I don't get a ticket to the gala? And one for you, Spike.
You could at least say excuse me.
Is it some sort of pony holiday?
Not that I know of.
Does my breath stink?
Not more than usual. You see, Spike, you should never give up. There's nothing we can't overcome if we all work together.
Since I came back upstairs! Make it stop!
But why would she send them back? Real friends don't care what your cover is. I'll take care of the whole fighting for friendship thing myself. Should we get something to eat? Twilight! Yeah, uncool!
Wait,
What's uncool? What's uncool?
it means uncivil. You know, bad-mannered. Exactly.
The babies need to be burped.
I got him back before any of the evil creatures could escape. Oh no!
Who's up for a little belching contest? Think you can beat that, Pee-wee?
A well-placed scaly source close to the prissy pony says Twilight Sparkle thinks Ponyville is nothing but muddy roads and low-class roofs. Spike!
Let me just... It is my honor and my duty. Today's just the beginning. What's that now? You saved my life. According to the Spike the Dragon Code. Now you see him? Now you don't.
Us to look. My dearest Twilight.
Ninfargen.
You're excused.
Don't worry, Twilight. I'm sure you'll get your key eventually.
I'll take care of this. What are you doing here with that? I'm a pony, and he's a dragon!
A likely story. Do something dragonish. That works. What are you looking for in a friend? Give me 6 qualities, assigning each one a numerical importance rating between 1 and 7, 7 being essential and 1 being
That's okay. I think the goats ate all of them anyway.
You really do make the best finger foods. What do you say?
Excuse me.
What seems to be the problem?
Ember, there you are.
Thank goodness.
The element of generosity and its importance in relation to the other elements of harmony.
I don't know what happened. I just had a sudden case of... indigestion. I said, leave me alone! Oh no. Greetings.
Spike, what's wrong?
Thanks.
What's going on? Hi, Headmare Twilight. We're just practicing for graduation. But I'm afraid it'll take more than one semester to learn all there is to know about friendship.
Told ya.
Then Fluttershy will disable the throne room alarm by charming the geese.
It's from Shining Armor.
Thank you. You're welcome. Huh, it's from Princess Celestia.
So's this.
You're not like Brussels sprouts. I guess I have to now. Sure, that's normal. Of course, I'll have a lot of important responsibilities as ruler of Equestria, but I'll always be available to help whenever you need. It's imperative that the princess is told right away. I knew she would want to take immediate action.
Aw, she's so happy she's crying. Not bad. Now try this. But you have us, so stop worrying. This breath mint? Seriously, buddy, help me help you.